If you want to close your OKX account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your OKX account by entering your login credentials on the official website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section of the platform. Step 3. Find Account Closure option. Look for an option related to account closure or deactivation. This may be listed under Security Settings or Account Management. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Carefully read the instructions provided for closing your account. You may need to confirm your identity or provide a reason for closing the account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds and understand the implications of closing your account. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.